Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Rofiah. In this case, I want to present my research about the impact of child marriage. With my team are Prof. Haryono, Mrs. Intan Zainafri, and Mrs. Eko Farida. I think all of you know about marriage is an important moment for men and women in which their status will be changeable automatically after getting married. The government has set a rule about marriage age limitation, which states that marriage is only permitted if the man and woman have reached the age of 19 years. However, under certain conditions within reason urgently accompanied by supporting data, the parents of the man or woman can ask the court of dispensation. This provides on an opportunity for a child marriage happen. Marriage performed before the age of 19 can be considered violence and violation of children's rights. Child marriage limit children's freedom, so it can be considered a violation of children's rights. Child marriage will have a multidimensional impact. Based on the description above, there is a need for literature review regarding the impact of child marriage. We summarize the result of article about the psychological, social, and economic impact of child marriage. The method. This literature review study use 5 stages and includes stage 1, develop question, stage 2, identify relevant article, stage 3, assess the quality of the article, stage 4, compile the result, and stage 5, summarize the finding. After giving my explanation above, you can look at the Prisma chart that explains about the process of my research. And this is the table of summarized results for research about the impact of child marriage. And this is, I will declare the literature review about the impact of child marriage. Based on the result of studies in several articles, it can be seen that the impact of child marriage on teenagers includes positive and negative impact. The positive impact of child marriage is reducing the burden on parents due to the burden of having to move to their husband and preventing discharge or immorality such as adultery or cohabitation. The negative impact of child marriage is more complex. In general, the negative impact of child marriage are grouped into 4 domains, including the psychological domain, social domain, and economic domain. The first, psychological domain, child marriage is closely related to high-risk pregnancy under 20 years of age because the body organs are still in the process of growth and development, including the reproductive organs. The age of pregnant woman influences the amount of nutrition needed during pregnancy and delivery. Mothers who give birth at the age of 18 also have a 60% increase in infant mortality and even provide wrong parenting pattern to children due to limited knowledge and maternal qualities. This situation will pose a risk of chronic energy deficiency and anemia in pregnant women. Mothers who give birth at an under age 10 to give birth to babies with disabilities or health problems. Malnutrition in the fetus, if it occurs in the middle and end of gestation, will disrupt fetal growth, which can lead to coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. The period in the womb and the first 2 years of life determine the incidence of stunting in adulthood. And then psychological domain. Living a domestic life is not an easy thing, especially if there is a child in the family. Each family member must be ready and understand the responsibilities that must be carried out. Failure to carry out this role can cause conflict to arise, which can result in depression. Child marriages with immature individual psychological condition in the form of unpreparedness to take responsibilities for caring a partner and children can trigger psychological problem in the form of mental health disorder for both husband and wife. Poor mental health related to act of abuse against partner. Cycle and sexual violence in marriage will trigger depression and suicide attempt. Women are more at risk of experiencing this condition because of limited psychological, and financial resources. Child marriage also affect the communication pattern that exists between husband and wife and parents and children. Young couples tend to have unstable emotion and high level of egoism, which easily trigger conflict. And then social domains. Child marriages are vulnerable to divorce due to mental, psychological, and economic unpreparedness. Immature thought pattern often trigger repeated conflict. Young married couples usually do not yet realize the responsibilities of marriage. If this does not get the right solution, then married life will not be harmonious and will end in divorce. One of the impact of child marriage is dropping out from school. Teenage pregnancy as a result of promiscuity will cause interruption of the education being undertaken. Perpetrators of child marriage are not yet able to regulate their emotion or behavior towards their partner, so they are at risk of domestic violence. And the last, economic domains. After getting married, the husband has taken over the responsibility of a doctor for her parents. Husband have to work and meet the family's economic need. The problem thus the problem that arises the difficulty of finding work due to the low level of education. Married at a young age usually have a lower socioeconomic status than those who marry at an older age. The absence of a steady income from a family because they do not have a stable job causes economic problem in a family, which will trigger conflict in the household. Economic condition contribute to the development of mental disorder. And the conclusion, the impact of child marriage based on the literature study of the sample article covers several things in the psychological domain, include maternal and child death due to the risk of pregnancies and nutritional status problem. The psychological domain leads to depression and suicide attempt and influences the communication pattern between husband and wife, parents and children. The social domain of the impact of child marriage is vulnerability to divorce, school dropout, and the risk of domestic violence. The existence of child marriage also has an impact in the economic domain of the form of difficulty in obtaining work due to low education. So the socioeconomic conditions are unwell. It's hoped that this finding can be used to provide appropriate intervention for adolescents in health promotion effort regarding to delay the age of marriage. That's all my explanation and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.